Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, welcome to everyone. So from today onwards, we will see 50 MCQs of algorithm, TOC, data structures, compiler design and programming. This is the part 1. This is the part 1. 50 MCQs of algorithm, TOC, data structures, compiler design and programming. This is the part 1. Right? So, and one more thing. So please be careful before going to the actual topic. So this is the actual topic. 50 MCQs of algorithm, data structure, programming and theory of computation, compiler design. So before going to that, let me say one more point also. If you are preparing for the computer science gate examination, if you have doubts at any point of time, you can solve those doubts, right? You can solve those doubts using the Telegram group. We have one Telegram group which contain approximately 3000 CSE students. 3000 CSE students are there. One Telegram group is there. If you have doubts while preparing for gate examination, we have one Telegram group. 300 CSE students are there. In that group you can post. Your doubts. You can resolve it. So if you want to add in that particular Telegram group, just ping me to this WhatsApp number. It is a WhatsApp number. Just ping to this WhatsApp number. It is the WhatsApp number. If you ping to this WhatsApp number, sir, please add me in the Telegram group. If you ping me, I will add you to the Telegram group. Please utilize this facility. The important thing in the gate preparation is going to be, right, in that path you will find out many doubts. While preparing for gate examination, in that path you will find out many doubts. If you find at any point of any doubt related to computer science CSE, computer science gate examination, right, you can ping me in this WhatsApp number. I will add you to Telegram group. You can ask your doubts. So today's topic is, this is the topic. Part 1 of 50 MCQs of algorithm, TOC, data structure, compiler design. So if you have doubts, you can add in the Telegram group and you can post the doubts in the Telegram group. And one more thing, I will share the material also. Just utilize it. So if you ping me in this WhatsApp number, I will add you to the Telegram group, plus I will send some material also. I will share material also. Whatever material is possible, I will share that also. And one more thing, see this one, benefit, for the purpose of student benefit, Unacademy started Master Blaster practice series. 10,000 questions are there. This is the free of cost. It is the free of cost. Unacademy started Master Blaster practice series. Right? Master Blaster practice series. It is a free series. 10,000 practice questions are there. You can practice them. Right? Next. Unacademy started one more series, right, for the benefit of the students. That is called Utkrisht series. Utkrisht series. In that, what happened is, if you are preparing for a GATE examination, computer science GATE examination, so if you are newly preparing for computer science GATE examination, you don't know what is the weightage of the subjects, right, in a particular subject, which are easy topics, which are tough topics, which are intermediate topics, you don't know. So what the Unacademy started this Utkrisht series will do is, on every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they will take on particular subject, they will explain in every subject, right, in the particular subject, first of all, what is the important topics, what are the not important, which one is easy topic, which one is the tough subject, topic. They will explain every Friday. If you are new to computer science GATE preparation, right, please utilize this facility, right? Fine. Next one more. If you are a computer science person, if you are a computer science student, and if you have a grip on many subjects, you are a subjects, and you are financially poor, no need to worry, more new series that is called Unacademy Combat series. This is a scholarship test kind of thing. So if you write that combat series, and if you get the good marks, assume that you got the good marks, then what happens? 3 full discount, right? Subscription will be free for 1 year. If your rank is, right, 4 to 10, 75%, 11 to 50, 50%, right? So 51 to 100, 25% off. Please utilize this facility. If you are having already subject of computer science subjects, and if you are financially poor, you can utilize it. You can utilize this facility. And one more. This is myself. So my name is Subba Rao Lingamgunta. My students used to call me Reddy Sir. I used to teach in Unacademy algorithm, compiler design, and programming. I used to teach these 5 subjects. So if you are preparing for computer science GATE examination, these 5 subjects, if you study from me, you will get right. GATE examination you may get 50 marks. Approximately you will get from my notes only 45 marks guarantee. 45 marks guarantee if you prepare all these 5 subjects from me. Remaining subjects, so many good teachers are there. For remaining subjects. You can utilize it. You can utilize that facility, right? So you can, right, other subjects you can prepare for all other faculties, right? My subjects you can prepare from me. I have 13 years of teaching experience. Definitely you will get a lot of benefit if you prepare from me. So you can use the referral code Reddy Sir to get the discount. You can use the referral code Reddy Sir, right? So please take care. These 5 subjects. Don't miss these 5 subjects. Mostly from my notes only, every question will come. 45 marks will come from my notes only. Utilize this facility. For other subjects, many good teachers are there. You can follow from anyone, no problem at all. All are very good teachers. Next one, if you are seriously preparing for the GATE examination, right? So join Unacademy by taking the either Plus course or Iconic course. In the Iconic, you will get the personal coach and study planning also there. Detailed doubt clearing sessions also there. Preparation strategy also available. That is the Iconic. In the Plus course, live classes will be there. Crash course will be there. Weekly test will be there. Doubt solving will be there. Right? So English and Hindi also available. So this is having some extra features. Right? If you want, you can go for Iconic. My preference is go to Iconic. Right? My preference from my side, you can go for Iconic. But you can go to any one of the thing. It is your choice. But important thing I want to say to you, if you are serious about computer science GATE exam, if you are serious about computer science GATE examination, please join Unacademy and take the help of the so many good experts. They all are cracked the GATE examination. They all are studied in IITs or IASC. Please utilize their inputs. It will be really useful to you. And one more, if you go for the Plus course, 12 months how to pay this much. If you use the referral code Reddy Sir, right, for the 12 months you will get this much amount. So without referral code you have to pay this much. With referral code you have to pay this much. Next one. So if you go for the iconic, 12 months you have to pay this much. After using the referral code Reddy Sir, you have to pay this much. Utilize this facility. Next one. If you are preparing for computer science gate examination, Unacademy is the best one. In India itself, Unacademy is the best one for computer science gate examination. So many good experts are there. All they done the MTech from IITs. So utilize them. Myself, I completed from IIT Bombay. In computer science department. I have 13 years of teaching experience. I am teaching 5 subjects in Unacademy. 5 subjects I am teaching in Unacademy. So 13 years onwards I am teaching. Definitely will get 45 marks from my notes only. For remaining subjects purpose, many teachers are there. Many good teachers are there. You can utilize their services. The advantage with the Unacademy is in 1 month you can complete. The advantage in Unacademy is, right, in 1 month you can complete 2 subjects. If you spend more time, 3 subjects you can complete. If you do more hard work, 4 subjects also, in 1 month you can finish. In other institutes, 1 month 1 subject only, but here 1 month you can complete 2 subjects minimum. If you keep little more hard work, 3 subjects. If you dedicate a lot of time, 4 subjects in a month also you can finish. Please utilize this facility. These are our previous year rankers. I am expecting your rank will be there next year in this place. I am expecting your rank will be there next year this place. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone for listening. Let's go for the actual thing. So these subjects don't miss. If you miss this one, right, the wonderful opportunity of getting the good gate rank, you will miss it. Please utilize it. So let's go to the actual story. Let's go to the actual story. Yeah, so let's see, almost like right, so in this series we will see 50 MCQs. 50 MCQs you will see that, right? Please start now. I'm starting. Thanks everyone. So let's start now. This is the first problem. Now can you solve now? What is the answer of this problem? These are the questions which came in the previous paper. These are the questions which came in the previous paper. So these kind of questions you can expect. It's the first problem. Can you try now? Consider a hash table with 100 slots. Collisions are resolved using chaining. Assuming simple uniform hashing, what is the probability that the first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertions? Consider a hash table with 100 slots. Collisions are resolved using chaining. Assuming simple uniform hashing. What is the probability that first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertions? So hash table contain how many slots? 100 slots are there. Hash table contain 100 slots. 0, 1, 2 and so on, lastly 99. Hash table contain 100 slots. What he is saying is, right, what is the probability that first 3 slots are unfilled? So these 3 slots should be unfilled after the first 3 insertions. These three are unfilled after first three insertion. What meaning? First insertion if I do, that other than those three it can go anywhere. Second insertion if I do, other than these three anywhere I can go. Third insertion, other than this anywhere I can go. So what is the answer? 97 by 100. 97 by 100. 3 times. So I think 97 by 100 cube. A is the answer. To this problem, A is the answer. Answer is A. And first 3 places you cannot go. Other than first 3 places you have to go. So 97 by 100. 97 by 100. Like that 3 times. Like that 3 times. Hashing. What is the meaning? You can go anywhere. Simple uniform hashing. You can go anywhere. But because of you want other than first 3. Other than first 3 anyway. 97 by 100. 97 by 100 3 times. Answer is going to be option A. So many places people are giving answer something like answer, many places answer is given 97, 96, 95 by 100 cube. No, answer is A because simple uniform hashing. What does it mean? You can go anywhere. Simple uniform hashing means you can go anywhere. Right? Fine. So this is the answer. Anyone having any doubt in this question, please let me know. If you have doubt in this problem, please let me know. Answer is A. Some people are thinking that answer is C. No, answer is not C. Answer is A. Because of simple uniform hashing. Simple uniform hashing is saying that you can go anywhere. You can go anywhere. Equal probability. Simple uniform hashing means uniform probability. Uniform probability, right? Answer is A. Answer is A. Actually, first 3 slots also that condition not there. What is the probability that first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertion? If at all that condition not there. If that condition not there, I think 100 out of 100 every time it can go to anywhere. But here other than those 3 you have to go. This is the first problem. I hope no one having doubt. Right? Fine. So see this one. See MCQs, 50 MCQs, data structure, TOC, compiler design and programming. It's the part one every day, right? From now onwards, almost like 5 days. 5 parts are there. Every day 5, right? 10 problems we will solve. You will get lot of benefit. Please don't miss it. Part 1, right? Part 1, 10 questions. Part 2 tomorrow, 10 more questions. Right? Like that 5 days. Please don't miss it. It's the first problem. Can you go to the second problem? It's the second problem. Can you check it? It is the second problem. Can you check it? The breadth first search algorithm has been implemented using a queue data structure. One possible order of visiting the nodes of the following graph is. BFS is applied on this graph. One possible order of BFS is. You know very well. What is the BFS? BFS is also known as level order traversal. Level order traversal. What is the meaning? Level order traversal. What is the meaning? Suppose if I visit A followed by A adjacent all, you have to visit all. A followed by A adjacent all, that is called BFS. A followed by A adjacent all, that is called as BFS. So if you apply BFS on this particular graph, right? So what is the possible order is asking. Let's start one by one. Let's start. Suppose isn't that from which place he is starting is not mentioned. So you can start from anywhere. He is starting from M. He is starting from N. So he is starting from Q. He is starting from Q. Which one is correct answer? Let me try. If you start from M followed by M adjacent is going to be RQN. So first M followed by, right? Next M adjacent all should come. RQN in some order. RQN. Next 3 people are RQN, but no, right? So first one is fail. See the second one. N followed by N adjacent all. Who is the N adjacent? MQO. Right? N adjacent is going to be, right? It's the BFS, right? N adjacent is going to be MQO. Let's see then. M, Q, O, but P came. That is the reason problem. Here problem. This is also fail. Let's go to the Q option. Let's go to the C option. Q first. Q followed by M and P. Q followed by M and P. Yes. Yes. Until here, no problem. Next one in the M and P. Who came first? M. M followed by M adjacent. Who is the M adjacent? M followed by M adjacent. Until here, I done. M followed by M adjacent. What is the answer? I think R. R. Next one. I think R only. Because remaining people are already visited. Lastly, 0 left, O left out, O. The answer is going to be C. Answer is going to be C. First Q followed by their adjacent M and P. Yes. M and P followed by M adjacent R. Afterwards O. Right. Answer is going to be C. In the option D, Q first, afterwards M and P. M adjacent is R, but he written O. That is the reason wrong. This is also wrong. So to this problem, answer is C. To this problem, answer is C. If anyone having doubt, please let me know. BFS algorithm is applied on this graph. Starting vertex is not mentioned. You can start from anywhere. Starting from M, somewhere problem came. Starting from N, somewhere problem came. Starting from Q, C option is right. C option is right. Starting from Q, D option is wrong. Verify if anyone having any doubt. Verify if you have any doubt. And one more thing I want to say to you. In Unacademy I am teaching algorithm subject, data structure subject, compiler design, theory of computation, programming. These 5 subjects combinedly will go in the GATE examination 50 marks. If you read only my notes, you will get 45 marks minimum. Please utilize this facility. Take the subscription as soon as possible. Right? Take the subscription as soon as possible. Right? As soon as possible. You can use the referral code Reddy Sir. You can use the referral code Reddy Sir. Join as soon as possible. Already you are late. Please utilize this facility. These are the 5 subjects I am teaching in Unacademy. Right? 50 marks will come from these 5. Minimum 45 marks you will get if you read from my notes. Utilize this. Now can you say what the answer of this problem? On this graph, if you apply DFS, see this one, DFS. On this graph, if you apply DFS, which will be the correct sequence? On this graph, if you apply DFS, which will be the correct sequence? What is the answer? Which will be the correct sequence? DFS means what? Right? If you take A adjacent many, but take only one. If you take adjacent people only one, that is called DFS. If you take adjacent all, that is called BFS. Adjacent all you take BFS. Adjacent one you take, that is called DFS. Let's start. Starting from A. Who is the A adjacent? ABF. A adjacent is going to be EBF. Here, listen everyone, interesting answer. So people will do small mistake. Until now we done the BFS, the DFS. What is the meaning of DFS? Adjacent people meaning take only one. Let's check here. A adjacent is going to be EBF, but take only one person. A adjacent is EBF, take only one. Which one is taken? B. A adjacent B. Next one. Who is the B adjacent? E also, F also, H also. Take one person only. I think he took E. That is also okay. Next one, who is the E adjacent? Which are not completed? G. I think E adjacent is G. So G also okay. Next one, who is the G adjacent which are not completed? H or F? H. I think afterwards F. Yes, one is correct. Let's go to the 2 now. A adjacent is B. B adjacent is going to be F. Yes, that is also okay. A adjacent is B, B adjacent is F. F adjacent is going to be, right, like this you came. F adjacent is going to be, H will be there. Or G also there, but he is going to E. After F he is going to E, which is not possible. So 2 no chance. What about 3? A adjacent is B, B adjacent is F. F adjacent is going to be H or G. Which one is going? I think H is going. H adjacent is going to be G. G adjacent is going to be E. I think 3 also right. Go to the 4 now. A adjacent is going to be F. I think he went here. A adjacent is F. F adjacent is going to be G, that is okay. G adjacent is going to be H, that is also okay. H adjacent is B afterwards C. I think this also okay. This also okay. See, like this. This also okay. I think 4 also okay. 1, 3, 4 correct. A, F, G, H, B, E. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So answer to this problem, answer is going to be 1 also correct, 3 also correct, 4 also correct. 2 is wrong. 2 is wrong. I am rechecking once again. Right? First option A, B, E, G, H, F. Right. Third option A, B, F and H will be there. G will be there. E. That is also right. Fourth option also. 1, 3, 4 is the correct answer. 1, 3, 4 is the correct answer. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, everyone. Let's go to the next one. This is the next one. If you are serious about GATE examination, without delaying, join as soon as possible. Join as soon as possible. You can use this referral code to get the discount. You can use this referral code. You can go for plus also. You can go for iconic also. Whatever you want, you can go ahead. But don't delay it. See this problem. Given 2 vertices in a graph S&T. Which of the following 2 vertices? Which of the following 2 vertices can be used to find is there a path from S to T? I am repeating once again. I am reading once again now. Given 2 vertices in a graph S&T. Which of the following 2 traversal, not 2 vertices, 2 traversal. Which of the following 2 traversal means BFS, DFS can be used to find if there is a path from S to T. BFS also you can use, DFS also. Answer is C. From S and T, is there any path or not? If you want to know, you can use the BFS also, DFS also. If it is reachable in the right. From S you start. BFS or DFS. If reachable, right, start from S. If reachable, you will see T. If not reachable, you don't see T. Right? Both will work out. Answer is both. Now see the next one. This one also you see. This one also you see. And one small suggestion I want to say to you. If you are preparing for a GATE examination, if you have doubts, we have one Telegram group. Right? Utilize it. To add in the Telegram group, just ping in this WhatsApp number. This is the WhatsApp number. Ping in this 888-20-89903. Ping in this WhatsApp number. I will add you in the Telegram group. You can ask doubts. I will share material also. Utilize it. Utilize this facility. Now see this problem. Is the following statement true or false? If a DFS of a directed graph contain back edge, any other DFS of the same graph will also contain at least one back edge. Using back edge in the DFS, we can find out cycle is there or not. If at all graph having a back edge, right, you take the any DFS of the same graph, right, definitely back edge will be there. Because using DFS, you can find out the right cycle is there or not using back edge. If at all back edge possible in the given graph, do any DFS traversal from any vertex. Guarantee you will find out. Answer is true. So there is a resource. This is the link. You can go through it. From this link you can see the proof also. Is the following statement true or false? If a DFS of a directed graph contain a back edge, any other DFS of the same graph will also contain at least one back edge. True. If it is false, right, I think DFS don't do cycle checking. DFS is doing cycle checking. What is the reason? Back edge is the reason for that. If back edge is there, right, for any DFS traversal, if you do from any other vertex also for the same graph, compulsory back edge will be there. So answer is true statement. Careful, it is a nice statement. Next one. Is following statement is true or false? A DFS directed graph always produces the same number of tree edges, that is independent of the order which vertices are considered to be for DFS. What he is saying is, I have a directed graph. If I apply DFS algorithm, right, so starting from vertex A, whatever tree edges will come. If I start from any other vertex, same number of tree edges will come. Is it right or wrong? Right? Need not be. Answer is false. Reason is this one. See, this is the reason. A to B. This is the directed graph. The DFS apply starting from A. If you starting from A, if you apply the DFS, A to B, one tree edge there. But if you start from B, B to A, no chance. So in this DFS traversal, right, no tree edge, but here tree edge there. So that is the reason false. That is the reason false. Right? Fine. I think you are comfortable. I think you are comfortable. If anyone having small doubt, this is the source you can, right? From here you will get the proof also. From here you will get the proof also. Please utilize it. Please utilize it. Next one. If the DFS finishing time f of u greater than f of v for two vertices u and v in a directed graph G, and u and v are in the same DFS tree in the DFS forest, then u is ancestor v in the DFS tree. Right? So need not be. False is the answer. False is the answer, because in the DFS you cannot say relation, because in the backtracking anything is possible. If f of u is greater than f of v, then he is saying that some relation between both of them. Need not be. See the example. This is the reason for this one. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. It is a graph. In this graph, if you see the DFS traversal, see this one. I started from here, BFS or DFS. Remember DFS, right? In this graph, if I do DFS, see this one. This is the DFS, one of the answer. If you do the answer like this one, if you want, you can check. What is the answer? B, C, D, E, F, G. After G you can go A. See this one. After G you got A. It doesn't mean that some relation there between both of them. G and A some relation need not be. So he is saying that f of u is greater than f of v if at all. Then, right, some ancestor, something like some relation need not be. No relation need not be. Because of in the DFS, backtracking is possible. Mostly any relation will hold good. Right? False. Proof also there. This is the proof. Can you go through it? It is the proof. False. Yeah, we did. Right, Sonia? We done in the class. That is the reason I didn't inform you. That is the reason I didn't inform to the class. Right? This is for those people who are preparing self studies. For them it is. Right? Fine. Next one. Let G be a graph with n vertices and m edges. What is the tightest upper bound on the running time on the depth first set of G? Assuming that graph is represented adjacency matrix. You know very well. Which algorithm is asking? DFS. DFS algorithm, what is the time complexity? Adjacency matrix. N vertices and m edges. Adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix doesn't matter about number of edges and all. Right? Thanks everyone. So there is a graph with n vertices and m edges. Right? If you apply that DFS algorithm, graph represented adjacency matrix, what will be the time complexity? Adjacency matrix, number of edges doesn't matter, number of vertices matter. What is the answer? Order of n square. Adjacency matrix. Answer is C. Right? Fine. I hope if it is adjacency list, answer is order of m plus n. Adjacency list is order of m plus n. Adjacency matrix is order of n square. Careful. Next one. So he is asking on this graph. If you apply DFS on this graph, right? He is asking what will be the maximum possible stack size. If you apply DFS on the given graph, maximum stack size how much? What is the answer? I think everyone know like this. 9, 10, right? Because of backtracking, 11 again 10, no use. So until now 10. Afterwards, after 10 over, again this is 9. 10 plus 9, 19. In the backtracking you will cover, no use. So 19 is the answer. Maximum stack size is 19. Right? So this is one. I think this is 9, 10, 11, 10. Next one, until now 10 only. 11 came, right? Afterwards again it became 10. Next one, 10 plus 9, 19. In the backtracking, you can cover it. Right? So when you are backtracking, few more you lose. So you don't get more than 19. 19 is the answer. 19 is the answer. Right? Fine. Next one, in a depth first traversal of a graph G with n vertices and k edges are marked as tree edges. Graph contain n vertices and k edges are marked as a tree. See this one, n vertices are this is one. DFS is applied on a graph with n vertices. Graph contain n vertices. Graph contain n vertices. K edges are marked as a tree edges. K edges are marked as a tree edges. The number of connected components in G is. The number of connected components in G is. Let's see. I think because of formulas are given. Formulas are given mathematically, not asymptotically, mathematically given. Then by taking small example, you will get it. If at all, always remember, options are given mathematically. By taking some example, you can handle it. Let's check here. N vertices are there. Let me check here. A, B, C, D, E, D, E, F. Next one, G, H, and I. Yeah, this is the graph. This is the graph. This is the total is one graph. In this graph, how many vertices are there? 3 plus 3, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 1, 9. This graph contain 9 vertices. This graph contain 9 vertices. Can you help me now? This graph contain 9 vertices. If I apply DFS on this, let's check what happened. A adjacent, B adjacent, C. Next one, D adjacent, E adjacent, F. Next one, G adjacent, H, and I. Can you help me now? A graph which contain 9 vertices. If I apply the DFS, can you see how many tree edges? K edges are marked as tree edges. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 edges are marked as tree edges. How many vertices? 9. How many edges? How many vertices? 9. How many edges are marked as tree edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the 9 minus 5? What is the answer? 4. I think 4 connected components. Answer is going to be this one, n minus k. 4 connected components. Right? So some people are asking, sir, why are you substituting and all? Formula, listen, mathematical, see this one. Yes, options are not given asymptotically. Options given mathematically. By taking example, you can handle. So whatever he said, I done that. N vertices, yes, 9 vertices. Next one, if I apply DFS, right? K edges are marked as tree edges. I applied the DFS on this. So 5 edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 edges are marked as tree edges. So vertices, you know, tree edges, you know, using that, right? I have to get number of connected components. I done all of them. You verify, you will get. You verify, you will get. Answer is going to be D. D is the answer. Right. Now go to the next one. This is the next one. So to this problem, answer is going to be C. Because in the DFS, mostly no relation between two people. So while doing DFS, after A, B came. While doing DFS, after A, B came in the DFS answer. Means mostly you cannot say any relation between them. In the backtracking, anything is possible. So in the graph, you cannot comment anything. But in the DFS tree, you can comment little bit. After A, B came. In the DFS traversal, after A, B came. Right? After A, B came. What is the relation may be? What is the answer? A may be leaf node. Right? That is the reason you went for B in the backtracking. So if UV is not an edge in G, then U is leaf in T. Right? So try to remember. I am repeating once again. While doing DFS. While doing DFS, after A you got B, means you cannot say mostly any relation between them in the graph. In the DFS tree you can say. Answer is C, please verify. Answer is C. Please verify. It is a nice problem. It is a nice problem. Please verify. Right. So my suggestion to you, see this one. If you have doubts, if you have doubts while preparing, one Telegram group is there, right? Please ping me. I will add in the Telegram group. That is the one thing. I will share material also. This is my WhatsApp number. Ping. I will add in that, right, Telegram group. You can ask doubts. I will share some material also. That is one thing you remember. And one more thing, right? So please join the Unacademy as soon as possible if you are serious about GATE exam. This is my referral code. You can get some discount. You can go for plus also. I can. Next one. These are the 5 subjects I am teaching Unacademy. If you follow me, in GATE examination 50 marks will come. 45 marks from my notes only. Utilize that facility. Next one, right? These are the problems, you take care. See, 50 MCQs from these 5 subjects, right? Every day will come. 10 problems I covered, verify. It's the part 1. Tomorrow again 10 more questions will come. Please don't miss it, right? So without delaying, join as soon as possible, right? Thank you so much for attending my lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks everyone.